Hello everyone, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company and SEO consultant. So let's get started on the question I have today, and the question is related to SEO. And hi Ali, if you are targeting a keyword that uses a country name as one of the words and has a competitiveness score of 40 with an average search volume of 2800 and another closely related keyword without the country name with a competitiveness score of 41 but with 14,000 average searches, would you be better off using the higher search volume keyword for your landing page simply based on search volume, or does the specificity of the refined keywords with the country name makes it more likely to be found? Hope that makes sense. Thanks for any feedback and insights in advance. So, answering your question, I don't know why people focus on the average searches. I have seen scenarios where keywords with a very low search volume were able to generate huge amount of sales, but because you forget your eventual goal is to generate more sales or leads. So rather than the amount of searches or competitiveness as told here, my priority would be to see the intent of the keyword. Intent plays a huge role. I believe that the intent says that the keywords like where the buying intent is high, for instance if it's a buying keyword, that can a buying keyword with a less likely searches can generate huge sales, and not a buying but a general keyword with huge searches, and if you still rank well you will still get low sales. Why? Because you need to understand the intent with which people are searching that keyword. For instance, if a product is iPhone review and it's being searched 10,000 times, and if it's a keyword buy iPhone in your city, okay, it's being searched 100 times, and if it's a keyword is a buy iPhone, it's being searched 1000 times, and it has a my priority would definitely be to be the buy iPhone university because that is more specific but has a buying word included, and I can guarantee you that because user is searching with the buying preference, he want to buy it. So my priority is to focus on this keyword now because I do not know the keyword over here, and I believe that the country name would have a more relevancy to attract the user, so it has an advantage. Now the competitiveness score of 40 or 41 doesn't make a huge difference over here. The difference here is to understand the intent. So if adding the country name increases the intent of that, the people are more likely to do the action or goal you want them to do, like you want them to make a lead, you want them to fill a form, or you want them to download a product, or you want them to buy a product or service. So if that reaches your goal, then my priority is to add the country name. But if that doesn't help, then why don't you go with the 14,000 searches? Because then more people are going to visit, and then there are huge chances that eventually they are much more likely to go with the product. So here you need to understand that the intent should play a huge role with every keyword ranking, even in SEO or even on PPC. So I hope it answers your question. In case if you need Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, or SEO or web development services, the details are in the description of this video on how you can reach and work with me and my team. And make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Take care and bye bye.